But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
Hello. Happy New Year to you all. I love you. Let this year bring us joy, happiness, and fulfill our heart desires. I love you. On today's menu is very simple one. We are going to prepare summer squash or zucchini in oven. So let's see our ingredients. We have our zucchini or summer squash, our cheese, breadcrumbs, ricotta or fresh cheese, our oil, egg, and then our salt to taste. So let's start with our recipe. We are starting by preparing our summer squash or zucchini. We're going to divide it into two and then remove the middle one from it. Same thing to the rest. I'm using for the zucchini or summer squash. I'll list the ingredients below the description box. Very delicious and simple and quick as such. Going to finish right now. Remove it. Salt inside your zucchini or summer squash. Sprinkle a little salt inside. Okay. The inner one we are not going to throw it away. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces to use it. You enjoy your zucchini or summer squash? Let me know in the comment section, Give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Please like the video. New Year recipe, first year recipe. So we are finished with the inside. We are going to add our ricotta or fresh cheese. Then 2 tablespoons of your cheese. little bit of salt to taste. Just a little bit. Then you mix it together. Told you earlier, it's very simple. And at the end, you are going to enjoy it. Because it really tastes good. No, vegetables are healthy for our health. And it tastes good too. So this year, eat more veggies. Let's eat more veggies. Going to add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix it too. We are adding a little bit of oil inside our big pan. Then we stuff our zucchini. We're going to use our hand to stuff our zucchini. Don't forget, I've already preheated my oven because I want it to cook very fast. So I've preheated it. I'm going to use 190 degrees Celsius and then bake it 45 minutes or up to 50 minutes. Then it's ready. Stuffing my zucchini or summer squash. I'm adding cheese on top of it. Sprinkle a little cheese on top of it. Make it more delicious. Don't mind my tongue, I have a little headache. Your breadcrumbs. Finish. Then you sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on top of it. Let me wash my hands. So we are going to put it inside our oven for 45 minutes up to 50 minutes. Then it's ready. I love you. Guys, let's check out zucchini. Ooh. Just look at it. Very beautiful one. Ready to be served. Our recipe is ready. This is very simple and quick as such. If today is the first time of watching this video, please don't let me cry. Subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Catch up in our next recipe. See you. Bye bye.